So I'm tripping out as usual on these kite birds. I just love these guys. Tons of them. So I'm here in front of the New Delhi railway station, which is right over here. Just use the ATM, and while I'm at it, I will walk up Paharganj main bazaar and give a little view of, wow, they're just totally tripping out. All right, I'll walk up the main bazaar here, give a little view of it. If I can get across the road here. Just doing a little shopping today. This is the spot for it. Pretty much you can get anything you might need or want here. My hotel is just a 5-minute walk up this way. I just arrived in Delhi last night and have today and tomorrow before I fly to Canada. Going back to work. 3 months of travels, can't complain. It's been an incredibly amazing trip. Alright, I think I'm gonna pop into one of these shops and buy some clothes.